Hi everyone, this video is being recorded by Team 10 for the presentation of Assignment 2. So Assignment 2 was basically an extension for the Assignment 1 that was analyzing the hiring trends in Fintech. So in Assignment 1, each and every team, there were total 12 teams, everyone was allotted with 2 US banks, and we had to scrape their websites for getting the job titles and job descriptions, and after that we had to create a data set out of it. So we used that data set in Assignment 2. In the first part of the assignment, we did data pre-processing and data cleaning, and after that we basically, in the first assignment, we had 3 separate lists based on word count, TF, IDF, and text rank, each of 100 words. We created a summarized list of 100 words finally of keywords. Then we created a word cloud out of it. And then after our purpose for this assignment was to parse those job descriptions and job titles with the keywords and then analyze if it is a fintech or a non-fintech job. So now I'll take you to the actual part that we did. This was the overview that I gave you with the data cleaning and processing. The final 100 words list that we created was we created a word cloud out of it. So these were like the main words used in the fintech jobs: AWS, data analysis, financial intelligence. Then in feature engineering was the main part of this assignment. We were focused on parsing those job descriptions of 24 US banks with the 100 keywords that we have. So it was kind of difficult to do it on the basis of only 100 keywords. So that is why we created 8 clusters. Those clusters were on the basis of analysis, technology, and management, and the other things. So our function was that if a job title or a job description, we will parse it through those words. If it falls in the category of any of those clusters, then it is a fintech word, and if it does not fall in those words, it is a non-fintech job. So basically, this was our function, and we did it by if job title. First we parsed it to job description, and it had technical words like AWS and you need to clean data or something like that, and then we parsed it through the job title. For example, common words like engineer, analyst, something like that. So that was the main purpose. And the feature engineering was done in the form of this, like if fintech was depicted as 0 if it is a fintech job, non-fintech was depicted as 1. These were the 2 new features that we added. Then finally we had analysis of our data. The first part, like the first graph, shows how are the top 24 banks hiring. JP Morgan is hiring the most, and whereas you can see the fifth third bank is hiring the less amount of people. The second graph shows the areas or the clusters, the categories in which the top the main jobs are there. So that's cognitive sciences in the first one, followed by data analysis, infotech, and technology. Our third graph shows that which companies have the most fintech related jobs. So we can see that JP Morgan has the highest fintech related jobs, followed by Discover Financials, and the least ones are Key Corp and Fifth Third Bank. Then this was something that we did out of the box. We created recommendations for the job seekers. Basically, for example, there is a candidate who wants to focus on the agile technology, so then he can focus on these banks, that is JP Morgan and Discover Financials. They come out to be the first one, like the highest one in hiring those, like hiring people for those technologies. For SQL, they should the candidates should target banks like Discover Financials and JP Morgan, and for Salesforce, people should target SunTrust and Comerica Incorporation. So that was something else that we did apart from the normal thing. And that is all about our assignment. So thank you so much for watching. And this is our GitHub link if you wish to get more insights about it. Thank you.